Hi, my name is Manuel Ohmayer and I'm the Global Category Manager for the threaded insert technology at Bossard. Please join me and let's have a look at the world of threaded inserts. Design engineers who use plastics, composites, light metal materials and other notch-sensitive materials with lower shear strengths are often faced with problems when trying to specify the right fastening solution for creating a resistant threaded joint. The threaded insert technology could be the solution for your application, but what is a threaded insert? Threaded inserts consist of an internal thread and special external geometries designed for ensure optimal hold in the specific parent materials. Depending on the individual requirements, Bossard threaded inserts solve specific connection challenges of creating a precise, resistant internal thread, subsequent thread reinforcement or thread repairs. At Bossard, threaded inserts are divided in 5 major product types. If we are going to have a more detailed look to the different product types, we can divide them in 2 groups of parent materials which they are usable for. Threaded inserts for light metal materials like aluminium or zinc die casting, and threaded inserts for plastic materials like composites, thermoplastics and thermosets. Let's start with the product types usable for light metal materials. Wire thread inserts consist of a rhombic profile formed wire which is turned into an elastic spiral cylindrical form. The insert will be installed in a tapped thread according to the installation design of it. Bossard is offering different types like wire thread inserts with tang, tang-free, as well as free running and screw locking versions. A very interesting kind of threaded insert are the kee-locking inserts. They consist of a body with an internal and external thread plus special keys. The insert will be turned in a tapped thread in the parent material and the keys will be driven into place which will hold the insert in place against rotation and vibration. Depending on the series and thread sizes of the insert, they got 2 or 4 pre-assembled keys and also a free running or a screw locking version. The principle of self-cutting inserts is quite easy to explain. The insert will be turned in a prepared location hole in the parent material and will be installed by the external self-cutting thread. The second group shows the threaded insert types for different plastic materials. The self-cutting inserts are also usable for plastic materials. The installation principle is the same as described before. By drilling in, the self-cut their own way in a prepared location hole in the parent material. Threaded inserts for Mould-in do not require a location hole, but are directly integrated and installed during the molding process. Different designs and threaded styles, like through-threaded or blind-ended versions, always provide the best solution for the direct integration in the plastic component. Another type of threaded inserts are pressed-in threaded inserts in the grounding material. The different knurling styles and designs are related to different installation methods like press-fit or heat installation in a prepared location hole. Furthermore, the choice of the installation method is also related to the kind of the plastic material and also the application performance requirements. This is a special type of threaded inserts for press-in, but with expansion anchoring. These inserts are working like dowels for plastic materials. Different styles and forms allows the usage in the different plastic material types and direction of loading after installing them in a prepared location hole. We at Bossard are offering one of the widest insert portfolios on the market. With our respective knowledge and our wide range of threaded insert technology, we are always able to support you in your projects and your applications. Please feel free to contact us.